Winnebago has a long-standing legacy of superior construction standards. From our top-of-the-line motorhomes to our smallest travel trailer, the construction process is highly engineered to continually exceed the industry standard. That's why Winnebago has invested resources in our Towables campus in Middlebury, Indiana. We've dedicated an entire facility to focus in on building the highest quality sidewalls Winnebago owners have come to expect. At the beginning of the line, fiberglass is rolled out onto a table and cut to the required length. A double-coated layer of Asdel composite backing is then laid on the fiberglass. Once the Asdel is placed, foam, which serves as insulation for the sidewall, is then applied atop the Asdel. The entire sidewall is then run through a pinch roller, sealing the wall's components together. The wall then exits the pinch roller and is pushed into the foam CNC router, where paths for the aluminum framing and relief spots for welding are routed into the foam. Upon leaving the foam CNC, a reactive adhesive is applied to bond the routed areas of foam to the aluminum frame. The aluminum frame is then laid in its place, and specified areas are stuffed with pine wood. Once this wall is moved into the production line, the pine wood acts as a securing agent for screws, which will keep cabinetry in its place. The aluminum frame is then carefully welded at each joint. Once each of the joints are welded, a laser system, which projects from the ceiling, shows exactly where team members should place the EGS backers. These backers provide another component to hold screws in place once cabinetry is hung. Glue is spread onto the backside of the interior wall panel, then it is set atop the wall, and seam tape is applied between each of the panels. The entire wall then moves through an additional pinch roller. The final route CNC machine will precisely route all the doorways, windows, cargo storage openings, outlets, perimeters, and more. This process is accurate down to 100,000th of an inch, leaving no room for moisture to penetrate and damage the sidewall. From here, the CNC operators will remove the route outs and push the wall into the finished transfer area. A final inspection is completed, and the wall is cleaned of any debris left by the CNC machine. The completed wall is then loaded onto a finished goods cart, secured, and moved to a staging area where it will eventually become part of a Winnebago travel trailer or fifth wheel.